Okay, so with this new GitHub MCP integration, you can literally do everything: commit, push, pull request, create PR, merge PR, all directly inside Cursor. In this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to do it. Let's get straight into the topic. There are a few steps we need to follow, but first, let me show you what we're going to build. Let's say I'm working on my app called To Do AI, which helps you organize your thoughts using AI. Now I want to add a drag and drop feature so I can move tasks around and set their priorities easily. Right now, this feature doesn't exist. So I'm going to build it and push it to GitHub using MCP. Let's do that. I want to push a new feature to index.html. The feature is simple: make tasks draggable so users can rearrange them by priority. That's it. Let's also create a pull request and push everything to GitHub. So I've created a prompt for this, and the AI will handle all of it, from implementing the feature to pushing it to production. I'm using Claude 3.7 Sonnet for this demo. First, it starts by creating a new branch using MCP. You'll see the MCP call create branch. I'll run the tool. The branch was created successfully. Now it's checking out the branch locally. Just run that command and boom, we're in. Next, it checks if we have app.js, and yes, we do. So it reads the current code to understand how tasks are built. Then it starts building the drag and drop feature. I didn't write a single line. AI is doing it all. It's editing both the HTML and JavaScript. We're using HTML5 native drag and drop API, so no extra libraries needed. The edits to app.js are in progress. Let's give it a moment. Now it's making design fixes and some CSS updates. It's even adding prevent default where needed. Look at that. The AI is literally fixing everything right in front of your eyes, and we're just watching. Now it's time to commit the changes. MCP gives us the commit command, run it, and it's done. Next, it gives the command to push the changes to the remote GitHub repo. Done. Now we need to create a pull request. It gives us an MCP call, create pull request, run the tool, and the PR is created successfully. Everything looks good. The branch, the PR, the code, all in place. Go to GitHub and you'll see the new pull request with all the changes. I didn't even lift a finger. And the PR contains all the implementation details, proper commits, and organized code. If you check the commit list, you'll see changes to both app.js and index.html. Now, let's merge the pull request. I'll give the prompt: I want to merge the pull request. Since the AI has context, it knows which PR we just created it. It calls the MCP tool merge pull request with the proper details, run the tool, and done. Merge was successful. Now, if you go back to GitHub, you'll see the PR status is updated from open to merge. There are no pending pull requests, which means everything was pushed and merged to the main branch. Now, let's refresh the app. You might need a hard refresh, command plus shift plus R, and look at that. The drag and drop feature is working perfectly. All we did was write a prompt, and AI built, pushed, and merged the feature for us. This is the future, and it's already here. If you want to implement this setup from scratch, let's walk through that now. First, go to the official MCP GitHub repo. I think it's this one here. Let's arrange the steps. Step 1, you'll need Docker installed. Head over to Docker site and download Docker for Mac or Intel, whatever works for your machine. Once Docker is installed, we need to create a GitHub personal access token. Go to your GitHub settings, developer settings, personal access tokens, generate new token, classic. Give it a name, set an expiration date, and check all the required permissions. Once the token is generated, copy it immediately. This is the only time you'll be able to see it. Now we'll set up the GitHub MCP server. I'll share this code inside my school community. If you haven't joined already, and make sure you do, the community has full walkthroughs from zero to hero for using Cursor and MCP together. Copy the provided code into Cursor, open Cursor settings, click edit on your MCP server. You'll see a dictionary of MCP servers. Add your GitHub MCP server as another item. Paste the Docker command and token inside. Save it, then just refresh the MCP tab in Cursor. If everything is green, you now have access to all the GitHub tools: add, issue, create, branch, commit, create, PR, merge, PR, update files, and more. And that's how you integrate powerful GitHub tools inside Cursor using MCP. If you run into any issues, drop a comment. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching the video.